everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you guys how I got this dramatic Valentine's Day look. I usually don't do dramatic eye looks ever. I usually keep it pretty natural, so I was really nervous about doing this look and it actually came out a lot better than I expected. So I'm really excited to show you guys how I got this look because I never do these kinds of looks. So yeah, if you need some inspiration on what kind of look to do for Valentine's Day, here's one. You don't have to do this one, but maybe to give you some inspiration or an idea of what you will do. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then let's get into it.
Mother. Sucker.
So I've already applied all of my skincare and I'm just gonna go in with my good old Rosebud Salve to moisturize my lips. I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer to give me a smooth, pore-filled base. Now I'm gonna go into my Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I'm doing this off camera or else we'd be here for 10 years, but I'm just filling in my brows and making them look the way that I make them look.
Damn.
After my brows, I'm gonna apply my favorite Lancome Teint Idole foundation. I typically go for this foundation on special events because it's full coverage and it makes my skin look so good. I'm using my Bare Minerals foundation brush to apply it and spread it out, and then I go in with my Real Techniques brush to blend it in further. For concealer, I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape because it's also full coverage and long lasting. So I'm going in with my IT Cosmetics concealer brush to spread and blend, and then the Real Techniques sponge to blend even more. I also spread the concealer out to my lids to prime for my eyeshadows later. I put the tiniest dot of concealer on my nose since a little goes a long way with this product, and I just spread it out on the bridge of my nose to highlight a little bit. Now I'm just going to set everything I concealed with my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder and brush the excess powder everywhere else.
Damn.
I'm gonna go in a couple colors in both the Modern Renaissance and Naked Heat palettes today. I'm grabbing a tapered fluffy brush and I'm going in with Chaser in the Naked Heat palette. I'm gonna put that all over my lid up to my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna take the same brush into Low Blow and put that all up in my crease. With a smaller fluffy tapered brush, I'm taking He Devil and keeping it on the outer edge of my eye and blending it a bit into the crease. I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette and laying Venetian Red on top of He Devil for more dimension.
Damn.
I'm using a little bit of Golden Ochre to blend the shadows better and going back into Chaser to blend it even more. Make sure it doesn't look harsh. hooded lids, I can't really have a cut crease. So for the kind of cutting of the crease, I'm gonna use a flat brush and take some Shape Tape into the corners of my eyes.
Damn.
So once I'm satisfied with the concealer, I'm gonna go into Primavera and Vermeer. I'm gonna mix those two and spray it with my Mario Badescu spray to make it more intense and metallic-y, and just pack it over the concealer. I'm just gonna keep packing until I'm satisfied with the intensity. Then again, I go in with whichever color needs more blending and blend my little heart away. Now moving on to the bottom part of my eyes, I'm taking Low Blow with a small pencil brush as the base and blending it almost everywhere besides the actual corner of my eye. I actually forgot to highlight the inner corner of my eye, which is extremely important. I'm gonna take He Devil and blend it closer to the waterline.
Damn.
And lastly, I'm gonna take Venetian Red and blend it even more close to my waterline. I'm just mimicking the steps that I did on my eyelids. I'm quickly going to tightline with my LA Girl eyeliner in brown. I originally wasn't going to do eyeliner, but I decided what the heck, why not? So I'm using my NYX Epic Ink Liner for my cat eyeliner. For my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies. These make my eyes look so elongated and pretty. I love them. Don't forget to curl your lashes with your falsies. For the bottom lashes, I'm using Maybelline's waterproof Big Shot Mascara. Now moving on to the face. I'm gonna contour just a bit with my ABH Contour Kit. I'm gonna use the coolest shade and blend it right into the hollows of my cheeks. I'm also going to use that shade to slim down my big nose. Bronze, I'm using my Little Baby Hoola bronzer and blending that in the 3 shape thing on the outer parts of my face, especially under the chin. I don't want no double chins. I'm gonna take highlighter very seriously in this video. I'm gonna start off with Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in Lunch Money as the base, but I'm only putting it on my cheekbones. And sorry if you hear Penny. As for powder highlighters, I'm taking Wet n Wild's Pretty in Petals with my Morphe fan brush and dusting that on my cheekbones, forehead, nose, and a little bit on my chin. But wait, there's more. I'm going over all of that again with Maybelline's Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold so I can look like the glowing goddess that Carlos thinks I am. For blush, I'm using Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso and blending it in my cheeks and a little bit on my nose for a cutesy innocent look. I also like that it has a bit of shimmer for even more glow. To set everything, I'm setting my face with Morphe's setting mist and airing it dry with my cute little fan. So Asian of me. And last but not least, for the lips, I'm using Maybelline's Infallible Pro Matte Lip in Nudist. It looks a little light when I first apply it, but it gets a little bit darker as it dries down. I went with a nude to keep the attention on my eyes and not overdo it either. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It's not that hard. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. I'm not the best with eyeshadows, so for me to be able to come up with this, like, I think it's doable. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration for Valentine's Day in case you needed any. I had a lot of fun making this look. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know how you're doing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.